Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna paint on this t-shirt because I brought it from Amazon for my Neet 2021, and yep, I don't like it. It was too plain and it doesn't fit for me well. Its returning period was over, so I thought I could make it a little bit attractive by adding a text neat on it. And now it looks so good. So the batch is starting tomorrow, so I really needed a planner. So it was too expensive to buy one in online, so I just made one. Yeah, I just give it a cute unicorn theme, and first page is like a fresh start. The batch is starting from Friday, so I add just Friday, Saturday, Sunday on the first page. I try to give one color theme for each week, so I don't have any so huge collection of stationery. So I just made it by using my symbol markers. Next is the red one, and others my favorites was the yellow one. There is a cute rabbit over there.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Many of you are asking me about its model, and of course, it is not an iPad. Maybe it looks like an iPad, but it is not. This was gifted from my brother, and he said that its rate is about 500 dirhams or something. Yeah, I don't know. Look, it is made in China, and let me show the model of it for you.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.